Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Dork side. It is I, your friendly neighborhood dork on the road, and I'm out on a ride on the Versys. I'm going to tell you a little bit about all the shenanigans taking place in and around the motorcycling life that I live. Thank you for tuning in. You may have noticed that, oh, I know this bus, I've driven this bus, that I was on a bit of a tear there for a month and a half or so, uploading 3 videos a week, and recently that has dwindled a little bit. I only put up 1 video last week, probably only 1 video this week, and there's a couple reasons for that. I just wanted you to know, first of all, let me reassure you that I haven't forgotten how to MotoVlog or given it up. Just been really busy. Some of you know that I'm a high school theater teacher, and so when we have a show going on, it tends to take up a lot of my time. Now, I'm always working on the show, but when we get within a week of it opening and then the week when it's running, I don't have a lot of free time outside of that work because I teach all day and then I have to go and be there for the shows at night, so pretty busy. So that's what's been happening. So that's why I've been MIA for the last couple of weeks. So I apologize for that, but our last show was tonight, and tomorrow we tear the set down, and that's it for my after-school commitments for the year. Well, that's not true. I have auditions for next year's show and stuff, but I'm not doing any productions, so that will open up my free time, hopefully, a little bit more. And then eventually, in a month or so, school will end, and I'll have a month and a half, almost 2 months, to make videos with reckless abandon. So that will be awesome. Oh shit, am I driving into the school zone? Speak of the devil. So that's where I've been the last couple of weeks, so I apologize. Thank you to those of you who asked what was up. I'm alive and kicking, just slowed down a little bit. I'm out today getting a ride in on the Versys because I'm taking it to the shop tomorrow, and they said that because of how long it takes to get warranty stuff approved, I could be out of my possession for up to 10 days. So I could be Versys-less for up to 10 days. Now that doesn't make me bike-less because I still have the 500F, because I haven't had many bites on it at all. But still disappointing to not have my Versys, and so but I want to get that taken care of before summer vacation hits, obviously. You're probably wondering why I'm taking it in. The other day when Duck Fan and I went out on a ride up to Mary's Peak, I got to the top of Mary's Peak and looked, and there was oil, a decent amount of oil drippage on the side of the engine, and I followed it up, and it's coming from the gasket, the cylinder head cover. So there may be a little leak there in that gasket, and so because this is a 2016, but it was originally purchased in 2017, almost a year ago, and it's an LT, so they actually has a 2-year warranty instead of 1. It's still under warranty, so they're going to look at that for me. So I got to take it to Power in Staten, where I bought it actually, tomorrow, and they'll look at it, submit it to Kawasaki, and if they approve the repair, they'll fix it, and then I'll get it back. So I'm going to be without it for a little while, but I've got the, like I said, I've got the 500 and the 250, so I won't be without a motorcycle. I just won't have my favorite motorcycle to ride on the road for a little while. So hopefully they get all that fixed, because my plan is to put a lot of miles on this thing this summer, and I don't want to be dealing with an oil leak. It's not major, like you can't, it hasn't having an effect when I check the oil. It's not any lower, but definitely something that you want to get taken care of if you can. So I'm going to do that. Another thing that's going on is I'm kind of thinking about getting a new helmet. What the hell, is that a squirrel? So after about an hour or so, and I have 2 CL17s, because I originally bought the black one, and it has the Imperial decals on it from Star Wars, and then I got this Captain America one as a present for Christmas that first year. But after about an hour or so, there's a really painful pressure point on the front of my head, and I think it's because I have a intermediate oval head, and this is for a round oval. These helmets are round oval, and so after a while the front starts to push in. I don't have that problem in my Bell helmet and my MX-9, and it is an intermediate oval, so I'm guessing that's what the problem is. So I've been looking at intermediate oval helmets I was looking real strong, or real intensely leaning towards the Bell Qualifier DLX with the transition shield. That's a nice helmet. But I started looking around at other things, and because I try to do, as you may have heard in some of my other videos, I don't want to do just a dot helmet. I like a ECE or a Snell rated lid because they're a little safer. But I was looking at the IS-17. That's the HJC IS-17, and it is neither Snell nor ECE rated. But apparently, maybe you can verify this, but Snell doesn't test helmets with the built-in sunglasses, sun visor. But the Sharp rating on the IS-17, that's the organization that does motorcycle safety helmet testing, but not on every helmet, but on that one, is 5 stars, a perfect 5 stars on the IS-17. And the Qualifier is a 3-star helmet, so it makes me want the IL-17 a little bit more. And since I am the dork in the road, you may have seen the Ironman IS-17, and that's a pretty cool helmet. So 5-star rated Ironman helmet with the drop-down sun visor, so I don't have to swap my visor all the time like I have to on this one. Pin lock ready and all that. It's a pretty attractive option. So any of you have that one? I mean, it's no Captain America, but if I had to pick a second favorite Marvel character, it might be Iron Man. At least second favorite Avenger. So I could see myself wearing that helmet. What do you guys think of that one? But it's pretty safe. Ryan F9 put it in his 4 safest helmets video, so that's not nothing. So I don't know, I may end up with one of those. I'm looking into it. I kind of want to put one on just to make sure, but can't really tell the pressure point on this helmet after a while, so I don't know how long I can wear it for in the store. I may just have to hope that it fits. You can pick those up a little cheaper than they were originally. They're like $200 now. I'm getting on the freeway here real briefly. So I'm not even going to get over because I'm going to get right off. This is just faster than trying to go all the way over Scrabble Hill to get here. First time I ever got on the freeway was right there, actually, by mistake. I didn't realize that Century Drive turned into that on-ramp. So it was like that scene from Clueless, because I was like, oh my god, I'm getting on the freeway! And I was freaking out a little on the 500, and then fortunately I just got right into this exit and got right back off, but scared the crap out of me for a minute or so there. It's pretty funny. That was my first freeway experience, inadvertent, not on purpose. So, thinking about a new helmet, taking the bike in. Oh, and I've been looking, oh, they put a stop sign here. Interesting. I've been looking at, because it backs all the way up onto the freeway sometimes. Looking into a little bit more into the group ride idea that I had. So I've contacted the local business to see if they want to partner, either just by giving us a meetup option or maybe promotionally or even sponsoring. So I'll let you know if I hear back from them. But if not, it shouldn't be too hard to just set something up, you know, either real casually or a little bit more formally. We'll just see. So I'm looking into that, so that could be fun. Several of you indicated you'd be interested in coming down and doing a group ride, so I think that would be rad. I got some new gear. Not sponsored, not provided by any particular company, but I ordered these. You can't really see them, but I'm wearing the Bullet SR4. These are the flex jeans. They had like 98% cotton, 2% stretchy material, and they are hella comfortable. I really dig them. They've got that Kovac lining. It's not all the way top to bottom. It's just in the slide areas, hips, seat, knees, front of the leg, all that. But they're really comfortable, like remarkably comfortable, way more comfortable than wearing my riding pants over shorts or even without anything but underwear underneath them. So I really like them. Glad I ordered them. I may do a full review on them, but these are the SR4, Bullet SR4 stretch jeans. Flex jeans, one or the other. Stretch jeans sounds like something my mom would have worn in the late 80s. And I feel good, protected. I put they don't come with knee armor, but I put the Icon D30 knee pads in it. And you can't hardly tell they're there when you're riding. You can tell when you're walking around because they hang right below your knee when you're not in the riding position, but that's what they're supposed to do. There's the river. There she is. It's a beautiful view. Welcome. Really looking forward to getting out and riding a lot this summer and making a lot of videos. Something I have not been able to do with working, and when we're doing a show, I'm working 11 hours a day, so it's real hard to get out and film and edit and stuff. So I'll have a lot more time to do those things. So I'm excited about it. Thank you all for watching. If you've got any questions about what's going on, you know, as always, leave them in the comments. And I appreciate you, and as always, please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.